give a round of applause for Bandit. Right there with trainer Alton is blue. Right there with trainer Mary is azul. Now today they're battling it out. It's the best in a basketball game. But before I will start this friendly battle, we divide you into two groups. Now all the boys who serve for blue say, go blue, go blue. And all the girls who serve for azul say, go azul, go azul. And now, are you ready for the basketball game? Now Birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Birds, let's go blue, let's go azul. Oh, first ball for both Birds. Second ball for both Birds. And who's ready? And blue wins this game. Sayang azul. Oh, trainer Mary, you lose this game. What you can say?
Oh, the trainer Alvin, we want another round.
Well, trainer, do you want another round?
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Ooh, my.
Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
Now, trainer, what game do you have in mind?
So I suggest the ring race. Now the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all three rings into the pool the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So, ring race is shall be. Now remember, boys and blue get already 1 point. Now let's serve for Azul this time to win. Now, are you ready for the second round? Now, Birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Bird, let's go blue, let's go Azul. Oh, first ring for blue, let's go blue. Second ring for blue. Oh, what is this? Azul pick up the 3 rings at the same time. Oh, clever is that Azul. The trainer Alton, do you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What you can say?
What was that, Trainer Mary? You guys cheated!
Ooh, this was cheating.
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
And let's give a round of applause for blue and Azul. Any last words? Now let's call it Manneberg Blue. The blue flies over. Blue picks the money. What's next, blue? Blue flies to the table and blue wants to. There you go, donate your money, ma'am. No, ma'am, wait a ma'am. No, ma'am, okay, right? To donate to blue your money. It is okay that blue donated your money. No, ma'am, so right there with trainer Mary is our green wing Macaulay. Now, even though that this is a learned behavior that bandits demonstrating, but instead is to get the ship back to its correct way. That is only possible because of his perception, his memory, and intelligence. Now, last ship, bandit. And there you go, intelligent, right? Let's give a round of applause for bandit. Now, if you think that Goldie can find the hidden objects, if it is a yes, now let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldie! Now, Goldie, please find the hidden object. Now, Goldie is searching, using a psychic power. And there you go, she found it! Let's give her a round of applause for Goldie! Right there with trainer Arjun is our umbrella-crested cockatoo named Nigel. Right there with trainer distinguished with other white cockatoos by its fully white crest that raises like an umbrella. Right there with trainer Nix is our super-crested cockatoo named Tweety. Now Tweety right there is preferred to habit in tropical and subtropical rainforest. Now these birds are primarily white with black beaks in the oh, what a good entrance place now. Well, let's see if Trainer Mary and Snow did study last night or just scrolling in social media. Snow, pamino, Snow. No, Trainer, Snow's ready. Now, Snow, please answer the equation. No, Snow, fix the first number. Is the first number correct? Oh, correct now, Snow. Now, Snow, please complete your answer. Now, Snow picks the last number. So, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. Now, let's give a round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow. Now, kingdom right there can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. In Australia, now these birds are called the red-backed sea eagles, but now this bird is scientifically known as Heliaster indus. Now these birds are primarily feeding on carrions, insects, and other small animals. Now that is it for our Aggie right there can be Aggie right there has a wingspan of 2.2 meters. In Australia, this bird is the second largest raptor. Now these birds can be characterized by their wide body and head with three wings and back forming a V shape. For flying birds, please look to your left as we call it our homing pigeon. Now this bird has a homing ability, meaning it can always come back to the nest and mate. Now this bird has a special sense called magnetoreception. It can detect Earth's magnetic field and allow to perceive direction, altitude, and location. Our took right there is Our took right there can be found in Mindanao. And also, this bird is omnivorous, meaning they love to eat fruits and meat as well. Our took right there is excellent food catcher. Let's go, Took. Now, Took, first catch. How about second Took? Now ready your cameras, Took will showcase his last trick in 3, 2, 1. Amazing, right? A Filipino rufous hornbill named Took. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends, but also the land and air as well. Now who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal is the reduce, reuse, and... Oh, that's right, now let's call in our lovely birds once again. He's gonna show us on how to do a proper waste disposal. Now sadly, a lot of animals struggling in the pollution and the improper waste management. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything you can. Now see if our birds can do it, so can we. Now before I will end this bird show, I would like to request everyone to please come join us here on stage to have a photo opportunity of